So, welcome back mga bossing! Welcome to my channel! Boy Bukas Toy Box. At ito na naman si Alvin. So, today mga bossing, we're going to open my first toy haul for this year, 2022.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this box, kararating niya lang at ito ay from Hobby Search. So, watch out for unboxing of this one. But this one is, I think I've been waiting here for so long for this one. This was supposed to be released last October 2021. But yeah, it's already January of 2022. And there's another, like 4 of them. So this is the first one. This is the Red Rangers or Aqua Rangers. So what's up guys for my unboxing of Aqua Rangers. Hopefully they still not change the release of the other 2 or the other 4 Rangers, which is on January. So what's up mga bossing. So what else do we got for this year? And ito yung naggala-gala tayo sa malayong lugar. Iba't ibang lugar. So this is what I found. Medyo naka-jackpot siguro tayo dito dahil medyo mahirap-hirap na to. Alam ko mahirap-hirap nang hanapin to. So I got the Panther Collector's Editions, which have like a Pelta skin, like a realistic fur as they say it. Actually I believe yung pinaka talagang unang release nito nung 80s ay ng Panther. Ganito na talaga ang ano niya, ang skin niya. So yeah, this one is really good. Kaya maganda siya, naka-chepo tayo. Nag-iisa lang to at medyo maganda-ganda pa yung condition niya. Kaya I can say, swerte tayo dyan. At syempre, ito pa. So everything is in Walmart. So this one is also from Walmart. Nag-iisa rin to sa version nito. Wala yung other member nito or other wave. So this one I'm not sure how special this one, but medyo kaya dinampag ko na nag-iisa lang, wala yung ibang siya. So kakaiba yung niya, yung niya, so medyo kakaiba yung version nito. So yan. So I guess So yeah, I guess kailangan na rin natin i-collect yung pero talagang napakahirap makahanap dito sa amin, dito sa West Coast. Kaya talagang, I don't know if I can complete that one. And we got some special Hot Wheels. I found it really cool, so I grabbed these 2. Yeah, so you got one Mario Brothers, Mario Kart, standard kart version, and Batmobile from the upcoming movie of Batman. So there you go. And this one from Winners, lucky I got this one. I'm still looking for the Xbox. They say they also released the Xbox, but I can find it on our local Winners. Kaya sana makakita tayo dito. So share ko na rin sa inyo to, bossing. Ayan, ganda to eh. So yeah, USB siya, pero kailangan wala siyang battery, so need to keep it plugged in if you want some lights. There you go. Pretty plastic, but awesome for display of my PlayStation consoles. So I got the 3 lights modes with standard light, color pacing, and music reactive. So there you go mga bossing. And one last toy haul natin ngayon ay ang napakalaki. Ito mga bossing. So this is from Costco. So $9.97 Canadian dollars. So, but this is just I think, I don't know, maybe that's why it's a little cheaper. Dahil ano siya, flash toys. So, pero malupit yan. Malaki eh. Saka meron siya nung ano, di ba? Pendant ng mga Mandalorian. Ayan. So, okay. So, there you go, mga bossing. So, I'm gonna share more toy haul this coming at for this year. Mag-hunting tayo sa mga thrift store, mga toy store. Sama na rin natin ang Walmart or Toys R Us. So, okay. So, mga bossing, so if you're not a subscriber, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button down below. At if you have any comments or any issues, just write it down in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to like this share if you like it. Okay na rin kung gusto nyo ng thumbs down. Walang problema yan. Okay lahat yan para sa akin. Kaya mga bossing, just remember, this is not for me. This is for the toys. So there you go, mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.